Every single day, you fight a war nobody else can see. You don't fight it with weapons. You fight it with scissors that cut wrong, notebooks that bruise your wrist, pens chained to desks on the wrong side, and classrooms designed as if you simply don't exist. And nobody notices, because to them, the other 90%, the world just works. You're left-handed. And if you already felt something shift in your chest just now. Stay with me, because what I'm about to tell you goes much deeper than which hand holds a pen. The reframe. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Being left-handed didn't just inconvenience you. It fundamentally changed how your brain works. Left-handed people are neurologically wired differently. Your right hemisphere, the side governing creativity, spatial reasoning, and pattern recognition, is dominant. That's not a fun fact. That's a structural advantage. It's why left-handers are disproportionately represented in architecture, music, visual art, and design. It's why some of the most transformative thinkers in history wrote with their left hand. But here's what's even more interesting. The advantage didn't come from the wiring alone. It came from the friction, the cost. Think about what you did automatically before you were 10 years old. You adapted to tools that fought you. You figured out angles, pressures, paper tilts. You learned to operate in a physical world that assumed you didn't exist. And you did it silently without complaint because asking felt like making a scene. That's not a small thing. That's cognitive cross-training. Every single day, your brain was solving problems that right-handed people never encountered. And while they moved through the world frictionless, you were building something they weren't. The instinct to adapt. Psychologists call it adaptive expertise. You just called it Tuesday, the social layer. But let's talk about what nobody says out loud. Being left-handed doesn't just shape your hands. When you've spent your whole life noticing that scissors have the wrong blade, that the spiral is on the wrong side, that the pen is chained to the wrong corner, you develop something most people never do. You start noticing design. You see assumptions. You spot who a system was built for and who it quietly excludes. And that awareness doesn't stay contained to office supplies. It bleeds into how you read rooms, how you spot what's unfair, how you recognize when someone is struggling with something invisible. Left-handed people are consistently more empathetic to being outside the norm because they've lived it. Not in a dramatic way, in the daily, grinding, invisible way that actually shapes character. Now here's the part that should make you angry. For most of human history, being left-handed wasn't just inconvenient. It was punished. Children had their left hands tied behind their backs. Teachers corrected them with rulers. Entire generations were forced to rewire themselves, to amputate a part of how they naturally existed, because the world decided their default was wrong. That legacy doesn't disappear in a generation. It becomes a whisper. The look when you pick up a pen wrong. The joke about your handwriting. The subtle message, repeated 1,000 times, that the way you work is an inconvenience. That's not neutral. That shapes how you take up space. The closer. So here's what I want you to actually hear. You are not broken. You are not inconvenient. You are not a design flaw in a right-handed world. You are someone who has been quietly problem-solving, adapting, and cross-training your brain since childhood. In a world that offered you no accommodations and expected you to keep up anyway. And you did. The creativity isn't incidental. The empathy isn't a coincidence. The adaptability isn't just personality. It was forged. So the next time someone hands you a right-handed tool and watches you struggle, you don't have to explain yourself. You've already figured out harder things before breakfast. If you're left-handed, drop your most absurd right-handed world experience in the comments. And if this hit closer than you expected, you'll want to see what we break down next.